Hi guys, it's been a very long time since I haven't filmed a video for you guys. I'm just completely busy right now and just focusing on my ACADS. And I just really miss vlogging, and I'm so sorry I haven't been film a video or upload a vlog for you guys because I'm so busy and I'm just the only thing that I'm focused right now is my ACADS and as you guys know, there's a lot of hardships going on this past few months and weeks of my life, but I'm not gonna tell the full detail about what happened because I just wanted to focus on the positive things and stuff like that. And right now, yeah, I just really miss vlogging. I just really miss talking with um, syempre, it's also para sa akin parang nakakadiri pag nasabi ko lahat yung mga nararamdaman ko or yung mga basta mga emotions na nararamdaman ko. But, you know, for this past month, I just learned that, not everything should be revealed on social media and that's one of the things that I've learned and I think I should I think right now the one of the lessons learned that I've learned is that you just should have some a little bit of a privacy pagka magsasabi tayo ng mga gusto mga sabihin nating hardships na nangyayari sa buhay natin and also stuff like that. Pero hindi ko lang alam pero honestly talagang ngayon parang sabihin ko talagang disappointed ako sa sarili ko kasi parang hindi ko pa na-realize nung una nga na bakit sana ginawa ko na sana noon naisip ko na sana noon na dapat sana hindi lahat dapat nire-reveal in social media pagka syempre may pinagdadaanan ako sa buhay dapat may little bit of a privacy din tsaka kung gusto mo kung may mga bagay na gusto kang ilabas or yung mga nararamdaman mo or something emotions na nararamdaman sa sarili mo just at least okay lang naman din maglabas ng nararamdaman mo pero not everything will be revealed on social media. It should not be revealed, and I don't think na, it's a great decision or it's a right decision to make, But, being stupid of mine, being stupid person, just reveal everything on social media. And now I realize that I should be, take accountability for everything and I'm very sorry about. And ayun lang naman. So yeah, as honestly right now talagang sobrang there's been a lot going on but ayun na nga. So sabi ko nga yung mga sinabi ko na nakaraan hanggang doon na lang hindi na parang I know get out too far pa from this kasi nga syempre masyado na nga pagka kinento ko lahat pero honestly right now I'm just trying my best na na mag-focus sa mga positive things and gagawin ko yung best ko na sabi ko kung kasi may mga araw din talaga nag-iisip ako na what if hindi ko na kaya, what if one day sumuko na lang ako kasi talagang talaga nakakapagod din naman talaga but I just all I can say right now I just have to tell myself na siguro I think ang gagawin ko na nga I'm just gonna be fake it or let's just pretend that we are okay but we're not really okay deep inside and tas parang basta mag-pretend ka lang na parang okay ka na happy ka na kaya mo pa pero hindi inside hindi mo talaga kaya like napapagod ka na talaga and yeah and that's what's happening to me right now honestly but like I said I think talagang the best sa akin yung quote na fake it till you make it kasi nga syempre kung na-fake mo naman lahat yon siguro hanggang ngayon nandito ka pa nasa process ka pa ng like nasa process ka pa ng paggagawa ng paraan para maging okay lahat or yung mga kailangan mong mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin parang sinasabi ko na lang yan ipepeke ko na lang to na ko na lang parang nagko na rin na ako na nilalaban ko pa or parang kinukontinue ko pa parang yun na nga pero deep inside hindi na parang sa akin okay like parang nakakapagod din talaga and that's that's what the motivation ko that I could give for myself that take it till you make it and ayun na nga that's what's going on right now this past couple of months I've learned a lot of everything and ayun lang. So, yeah. Also, yes, sa update naman sa family ko, medyo okay naman. It's been okay since nung nangyari yun na nga, yung nangyari na yung separation, stuff like that, Um, pero right now, medyo okay naman na medyo parang nag-i-heal naman din konti. Pero there's still, I think there's still one that's been, stuck. But I know as times goes by or as time pass, I know it will be healed and everything's gonna be okay. But I just, hope, and I just hope that everything will be alright, at the end of the day. Because family is the most important, and I know that, family is the most important in our lives, kasi talagang pag may kailangan tayo, sila yung nilalapitan natin and all the stuff, pag tayo nasa lalayan ng buhay natin. And I think that one of the things I have learned is that, I should be priority my family first before my friends. Which is, yun nga, dahil nga, I was gonna be honest, talagang mga nakaraang araw talaga, mas pinayoditas ko yung friends ko kaysa sa family ko. That's why there's a conflict happened dun sa relationship ko sa family ko, even sa auntie ko and all the stuff. And, yeah, so that's what happened. And, I know, there's so many regrets happen after that, so many regrets, so many things that I wish that I could turn back in time and do something differently. Not I just that that's only not just only for my auntie, but also to the person that I had or have fought with it. I think even my friends, um, that I ended the friendship with, and all the stuff going on. But, I'm just very thankful nga kasi nga syempre na ngayon na medyo parang nag I can't say nagre-relief ako, pero parang siguro right now parang mas okay na sa akin yung ganito yung ganito na nai-set up ng buhay ko. I mean, I'm not saying, I'm gonna be honest, medyo nasad talaga ako ng time na I was kicked out of the house. What happened, to make a long story short nga. But I know that it's okay for me to have a peace now in my life, because yun nga, kasi sobrang daming nangyaring shit talaga nangyari nung mga nakaraang araw. And right now, parang deserve ko na lang din magkaroon ng peace. And I know na dapat ako, umiiwas na rin ako sa gulo. So that's why there were times that I was distancing myself from the people that I have fought with. And, you know, parang sa akin, it was a great move to distance, because nga, parang nga ma-avoid yung mga situations na na medyo nakapahamak sa akin o napahamak din sa kanila, and also that. And for me, ayoko na sana pang maluluma pa yung problema, or baka lalo lang sila, or hindi lang ako ma-stress kundi din sila para sa akin. So that's why ayoko na rin sila mahirapan sa sitwasyon na pinagdaanan namin sa isa't isa. So that's why I distance myself and I remove myself in that kind of situation, and I went to a peace. I choose to have a peace in life, and that's I I was at we're at right now. So sa akin talaga, family is the most important. So I think yun nga, talagang talaga ngayon nare-realize ko lang talaga lahat. And I just wanted to say sorry for everything, and for everything that I've done, and I just trying um to make things better, and um pipilitin ko yung mga bagay na maging okay, and try ko bumawi as much as possible, kasi nga syempre sobrang lala nga, and aminin ko sobrang dami ko na nagawa kasalanan in the past. And I will admit that I'm not gonna manipulate everything na ibabalik na rin pa yung sitwasyon. Aminin ko sobrang dami din talaga, and sabihin ko nga ngayon na talagang try ko na yung best kung maging okay na lahat. Ayun lang naman. So ayoko na rin masyado din magkwento ng full detail about it, but I just wanted to let you guys know this is what my life um happening right now. And ayun lang naman. So ayoko din mag-English, puro English tayo, tapos puro na naman tayo namamali naman yung mga grammar natin. Anyways, so ayun lang naman. So actually, I will put you guys some updates on ano nangyayari sa angkats ko ngayon. Definitely was fine. Um, um, the bad news is that yung mga kagrupo ko sa research is na tuluyan na talaga na-dissolve kasi wala na talaga, kasi wala, as in, hindi na talagang kinaya ng kagrupo ko, yung group ko sa PR, hindi na kinaya talaga, as in, parang mismo yung teacher ko na rin sa PR nag-decide na i-dissolve na yung group namin at pagsama na kami doon sa isang group. So ayun na, so marami na kami sa isang group, actually 8 members na kami. um Also, ayun lang, and also, ngayon, as you guys know, nandito na ako kala Papa, dito na ako nakatira now. I no longer living at my auntie's house anymore, or my grandpa's house, and also I'm not also with Sam anymore, but in every weekends I visit them. So, ayun lang, that's a good part of it. Pero hindi mismo doon sa bahay kasi until now, I'm still banned there for what happened. But I went to my ate's house, and doon kami nagkikita ni Sam, and yun, nung last week nagbati ko ulit kami ni Sam for the third time after nung nangyari nung hardships. And then also I think ayun lang, so my life completely changed, like honestly, talagang sabi ko parang this unexpected thing siya nangyari sa buhay ko, but I think destiny na talaga mangyari lahat. I think everything happens for a reason. Everything that happening for my life has a reason, and I need to understand that. Even might understand it right now, but sooner or later, I'll be able to understand that and able to just move on in my life and just continue and do the things that I needed to do, so that everything will be okay. So that's what happened, and ayun lang talaga. And so madami talagang change, like honestly this 2024 so far was completely completely like in shock for me, kasi uh, I think kasi talagang sobrang daming change na nangyari sa buhay ko noong 2024. And basta unexpected talaga, like pagbukas pa lang ng 2024, it was completely shock for me, kasi nga parang na yun nga, na bago yung buhay ko, na basta nagbago lahat yung setup and all stuff. So ayun lang naman. So, I don't wanna get emotional, but na-emotional ako kasi, syempre, hindi ko talaga in-expect mangyari lahat yung boy, but it's what happening right now. So, ayun lang. Paano ba ito matatanggal? Meron kasing, sa